spinach dip. Yes, yeah. When I ate this, it was so good. But yeah, let's get ready to the ingredients. This is my baby spinach. You can use any spinach. This is the fresh kind, but you can use frozen. If you do use frozen, make sure you just wring it out so it won't be wet. But I'm going to be cooking that since it is fresh. This is what I will be using, sour cream. Now, I prefer to use Greek yogurt, the plain kind, to be more healthier. I use that instead of sour cream because I love sour cream. But since I started using the yogurt, plain yogurt, like, yeah, but I didn't have any, so I use sour cream. I'm going to be using half and half, just a little bit. These are my cheese. I have just a little bit, so yeah, I'm just going to be using all of it and a little bit of mild cheddar. Now, also, too, usually you use like mozzarella or something, but I didn't have that. But those cheeses that I use, oh God, goodness, they were so good. Now this is my onions. I took the little orange parts out of it. Yeah, I think that's carrots or something, but I took that out. And as you see in this aluminum foil, I know you're thinking like, what was that? Yes, that's my garlic that I roasted for about 30 minutes on 350. Now I should have kept it a little longer. However, it still came out pretty good. I also have my chicken bouillon cube. I have mayo that I will put in there as well. I also have my Parmesan grated cheese. Of course, you need your cream cheese, and I have a little bit of salt, onion powder, and badaya. Now, as far as salt, I really didn't need that, so you can just skip that step. But yeah, because everything has a lot of flavor, even the Beyond Cube. It still was good, but you just go ahead and skip that. So yeah, let's move over to the stove. Now in the pot, I have my olive oil. I think I showed you as well. Just put a little bit in there, just just a little bit in there. Also, I was trying to squeeze out the garlic because when you roast it, when you squeeze it out, it comes out easily. However, it was still like the peel like on it, and usually when it's roasted real good it don't have the peel in it left, so yeah, that's why I should have kept it in a little bit longer. But yeah, off camera I just made sure I squeezed it out and took the peels off. So yeah, I put that inside the oil, and as you can tell, it's supposed to be a little like easy to like disintegrate if it was like um roasted more, but like I said, it was not roasted as much. It still was good, and it's still gonna be cooked in the oven, so it's all good, yeah. Okay, now to that, I will be adding my onions. Just put you some in there if you. It's gonna be cooked anyways when you put it in the oven, and then it's being cooked a little bit while you got it on the stove. So yeah, just put you some in there. I don't have the exact measurement. That's probably like what, 3 tablespoons, but just put you some in there, y'all. If you like a lot, go ahead. If you don't like that much, or if you don't like any, you can just go ahead and skip this step. Now here is where I will be adding my whole bag of baby spinach. If it's not baby, it can be the regular kind, but just go ahead and put it inside the oven. I'm sorry, the stove. If it is the frozen spinach, um if you want to warm it up, you can just make sure. Now, I think I forgot to tell you, I have my stove on the number 4, so it's kind of low because you don't want to make it too high. And then also when you put it in the oven, it's gonna be cooking. So yeah, I have it on really low. So yeah, I just pretty much incorporated my spinach. Now I will be introducing my bouillon cube, this chicken bouillon cube. Yeah, and I'm just pretty much gonna add it to my spinach. Okay, so now that my the steam has cooked up my spinach, I'm going to be adding in my cream cheese. Now it's not gonna be the full cream cheese, it's gonna be cut in half. So yeah, just add about a half of that. That's what you see right here. Yeah, and make sure you get all of it out of there. So now I will be adding in my sour cream, y'all. Now, like I told you, I would prefer to use the plain Greek yogurt, but the only yogurt we had was the vanilla, and you're not supposed to. It's not good to use the vanilla kind. It has to be plain. So yeah, just you go ahead and use your sour cream. That's probably about two. tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm adding in my mayo. Now that's probably like 1 tablespoon. So yeah, I got everything in there. My onions, my garlic, of course my spinach. I have my mayo. What else I got in here? Yeah, I know. And I'm pretty much just stirring it all together. Okay, so now pretty much everything is stirred up. I'm going to be adding in my seasonings. Now this is the Badaya complete season. Don't put too much because you don't want to make it too salty. It's probably like a tablespoon or a teaspoon of each. Then I'm adding my onion powder. That's about a tablespoon. I'm sorry, teaspoon. Yeah, about a teaspoon of each. And now I'm adding in my Parmesan grated cheese, and just add your some in there. It's probably like a teaspoon, a tablespoon. That's well, yeah, about a tablespoon. I think I put a little bit more in that. So yeah, just pretty much go ahead and mix everything together. Okay, so here is where I will be adding in my pinch of salt. Like I said before, everything is pretty much seasoned, and then when I added that bullion cube, I wasn't thinking about it. That's salt as well. So yeah, just go ahead and skip this step. But like I said, it still was good to me. But just yeah, just go ahead and skip the step because you don't want to make it, too salty or anything. All right, so now it is time to add in your half and half. Now that's pretty much about, I'm gonna say about a tablespoon of half and half because it's already, creamy and everything, but just a little half and half to make it just a little bit, I guess, more creamier. Should I say? It was good, y'all, man. It was good, but yeah, just put your little half and half, and yeah, we're pretty much ready to pour that inside another container, well, not container, as you can see, yeah. Pour it inside of there and bake it. Now, so everything don't stick, I'm pretty much gonna be spraying it with my spray butter. If you don't have the spray can, just use regular butter and put it around your whole pan. But as far as me, that's what I will be using. Now I'm about to add the the mixture of what I pretty much just cooked on the stove, yeah, inside this pan. So yeah, you want to make sure you get everything, y'all. Yeah, I didn't want to mix anything. You know how some stuff be left over in the pan. Well, yeah, I got my spoon and got all that, y'all. I ain't got nothing to waste, and I was just eating. You know how you let like the batter when you making like some cake or cookies or something. Yeah, I was looking at batter and I was like, yeah, you can tell it's gonna be good. But yeah, this is how it pretty much looks. Okay, now here is where I will be adding on my cheese. Like I said, I had a little bit left over, and that is my mild cheese. Yeah, the mild shredded cheese, just a little bit. Also, that is the queso. I used that in another, well, actually a couple of videos I had left over. So yeah, and it's pretty much it was bind it, yeah, together. It's shredded cheese. However, yeah, it's still good. It's gonna be melted. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the rest of that as well. And then also I have slices of Swiss cheese from another video as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be pretty much adding all of those cheeses together. Now, I cooked it on 350 for about 10 minutes. And for the next of the 5 minutes, I put it on broil. Now, make sure you watch it so it does not burn. And this is how it looked. Yes, y'all. Yes. You did it again. Say yes. Yes, y'all. It looks so good, man. Look at my recipe. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to eat it with the homemade tortilla chips that I have. And if you want to see the recipe to my homemade tortilla, make sure you look at the link in my description. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all see how creamy. Oh my goodness, like that looks so good, y'all. Not even just eating it, like it looks so good. But yes, go ahead and make sure you do this recipe to a T. And here I am, pretty much tasting it, even though, like I told you, it tasted good. I tasted better. So, yeah, here's my thumbs up. Like, yes, make sure you go try this recipe. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'm going again. I'm going in again, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.